Okay, good afternoon students. Today we are going to learn how to create an HTML file in simple text editor like Notepad. Okay, so first open a Notepad application in your laptops or computers, whichever is available. And in that we are going to type the basic tags of HTML. So let us start with it. The first tag we are going to type is the HTML tag. Okay, any beginning of the web page or HTML document always starts with the HTML tag. So it indicates the beginning. You cannot include anything, any information in your web page before the HTML tag. So in the first angular brackets, now it is clear that the angular bracket, whatever is written in the angular brackets is the tag. Okay, so first HTML tag, we are going to write it over here. After that, the next preceding tag, basic tag that we use is a head tag. Head tag includes all the header part of your web page. It includes the header information or the meta information about the document. All like we include title of the web page, which is not displayed in the main area but at the header part of your document. Or we can include the scripts, we can include CSS styles. So these are used for formatting of your web page, but they are not directly seen in any main area of your document. Okay, so first is the head tag. Over here I am going to type the title of the web page. Then I am closing the title tag. How we close a title tag? We use a backslash for that. Okay, so whenever we give a backslash over here, so this is a closing tag. Okay, so every corresponding opening tag has a closing tag. So after that title tag, which is included in your web page, next we are going to close the head tag. Okay, the title of the web page is not displayed on the main area, it is showed in the title bar of your document. After executing, I'll show it on the web browser where it is displayed. Okay, after that we close the head tag. So we don't have to include any other, we are not including any JavaScript or CSS, we are creating a simple web page. So we are closing the head tag over here. And now in body tag, we are going to write a simple text line. This is my first web page. So this is a simple line that we are going to display. We are not going to put any formatting, colors, background effects, anything. We are just going to display this simple line. So I am going to close the body tag also. And finally, I am closing the HTML tag. This is the sequence of the tags that we use in HTML. First comes the head tag, then comes HTML tag, then comes the head tag, then the title, then close the head tag, then body tag, the contents, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. So this is the sequence of your program. Now how to save this file in HTML? For that, go in the file menu, file over here. In that you have two options, save and save as. So first time whenever you are saving the file, click on save as. In save as you can save it in the folder. You can create a folder in a drive, C drive, D drive. Usually create it in the D drive. I have created a folder on a desktop. Okay, so here I am going to save this first file as first page. Okay, I have already created one, so it is showing me. I'm going to save it as a first page, and this is the file name of my HTML page. Now after saving it, I'm opening the page. See, whenever you create your HTML page, see to that you save it with .html extension. If you don't show it with HTML extension, you won't be able to see the web browser icon. Can you see the web browser icon over here? Google Chrome icon, small icon over there. So it indicates it is a web page. If it doesn't comes, then it means there is some error in your page while saving. You have not created a HTML page. You must have given some space or forgot to write HTML. So it will become a text file. So be careful while saving. Don't forget to put .html extension. Okay. So after that, after creating the page, I'm going to open it in Internet Explorer. You can open it in any browser, but to show it for the first time, I'm opening it in Internet Explorer. Okay, now this is your output. This is your first output. So over your demo page, can you see at the header part, at the tab button over here? So this is the demo page is displayed in the header part. You can see the URL of the page over here. I have saved this file on the desktop, so it is showing me the path over here. This is also called the URL of the page. C:/HTML docs is the folder name, and first page is the file name. And over here I am simply showing this is my first page. This is a single line that I have displayed over here. So this is how we create a HTML page in a simple text editor like Notepad. Okay, so after this we are going to see how to create a paragraph and use heading tags in HTML.